guys, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we'll show you how to create this cascading garland with inserted fairy lights in it. You can use this setup for so many different occasions, play with the colors of it. It can suit the wedding, it can suit the birthday, it can suit anniversary, showers, you name it. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create, but first, let me show you how we did ours. Let's start by getting our colors blended. We chose to have a pastel color palette with a pearl finish. For that, we chose the following balloons: chrome pink inside, pearl white outside, white inside, pearl white outside, and sand inside and pearl white outside. You can use a straw, chapstick, or any kind of stick to double stuff your balloons. Now our prep work is ready. Let's put our garland base together. We will use 260s for that. When your 260 came to an end, just simply tie it to the base and take a new 260, tie it at the same base, and just continue adding clusters. First, we will tie the 260 around the balloon necks of the first cluster. Now, while holding it by the base with one hand, we will grab our second cluster and attach it to the first cluster. Simply wrap the 260 around the balloon necks once or twice, and that will secure it in place. The third part we will add on the opposite side of the second cluster, so we will create a triangle versus the line. Now, let's secure it with the 260. Fourth cluster we will add on the opposite side from the third. That will be the same side as the second. In a way, we are creating a zigzag that will give our garland a fluffier look. We have created about 8-foot garland, and that will be enough for our creation. Next, we will apply it to the wall, and we'll add additional clusters around it for organic appearance. To add the garland to the wall, we will use command hooks. To attach the garland to the command hook, we will use 260. Simply tie a 260 around the base and then tie it around the hook. We create loops of 260s and then just loop it around the balloon and the hook. It works so much faster versus tying. Our base is in place. Let's add our jumbo balloons to the mix for a fuller look. We inflated deuces with jumbo balloon, and now we will simply twist it in where we want it to be. Now we will add our quads all around the garland to create a fluffy look. We will use our 260 bands for attachment. Next, we will attach our fillers. For this setup, we have created 5-inch gray fillers. We simply created quads and made mini structured garland out of it. Now we will add our 5-inch gray fillers around the garland. And the cherry on top is our fairy lights. We are using these battery-operated fairy lights, and now we'll just insert it around the garland. We will insert the battery part in between balloons. The latex will have a good grip on that. And here you have it, the cascading garland with inserted fairy lights in it. This garland will be a perfect addition for any weddings, wedding leading events, christenings, or any themed parties. You can always install that garland on the base instead of the wall. It will still look gorgeous. Here we use 450 balloons, including the balloons that were stuffed inside. We also used 6 fairy lights and 2 command hooks. It took 2 people about 30 to 45 minutes to install this whole thing, but remember that our balloons were pre-inflated, so remember that when you're managing your time. Make sure you mark your calendar for every Thursday for our live webinars that we run at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Here we talk about so many different things on business and decor topics. I cannot wait to see your creations, guys. Make sure you keep on shining, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next video.